You just talked about कि serotonin जो होता है that plays a major role in anxiety, in managing the anxiety. So I'm sure there must have been a lot of research कि serotonin क्या चीज़ से naturally बढ़ता है. So if you can help us with like few top things जिससे सबसे ज़्यादा serotonin बढ़ता है.
Unfortunately, there's no food or thing that makes serotonin.
What?
Unfortunately, yes. There is no food as such which you can take more that will help produce more serotonin.
Activity?
Yes, यही मैं आना चाह रहा हूँ.
Okay.
So unfortunately, it's not कि आपने कुछ खाया और जिससे जैसे again I would give you the same example of diabetes.
Yeah.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि जो आप खाएंगे जिससे आपकी डायबिटीज कंट्रोल हो जाएगी. क्या करते हैं अपने मीठा नहीं खाते हैं. ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं खा रहे हैं जिससे इंसुलिन ज्यादा बन जा रही है और आपकी डायबिटीज कंट्रोल हो जा रही है. सेम थिंग अप्लाइज हियर. सो अनफॉर्चुनेटली देयर आर नॉट फूड्स व्हिच कैन इंक्रीज द अमाउंट ऑफ सेरोटोनिन लेवल्स इन योर ब्लड. व्हाट कैन इंक्रीज, जैसे मैंने बताया, अवॉइडिंग सर्टेन फूड्स बिकॉज दे डिप्लीट योर सेरोटोनिन. So avoiding those foods is one way. जैसे अपने मीठा अवॉइड करें वैसे avoiding those foods. And two, increasing your activities. So as I mentioned before, physical activity helps, yoga helps, pranayam helps. They help to release these chemicals, and as a result the body produces more serotonin and helps us to cope with these situations. So unfortunately there's no lucky food as such that you can eat to get reduce anxiety, but yes, as I said, a balanced diet does play a role. So having proper fruits, vegetables which contains proper minerals and vitamins etc. is important, because serotonin अगर body को बनाना है तो वो सब चीजें चाहिएंगी. So we need to have a good balanced diet. And of course we have seen, again it's part of the lifestyle disorder. So जो fast foods वगैरह होते हैं, very heavy fried foods, they obviously don't help you in terms of managing anxiety. So high sugary foods can increase your anxiety. Very high content of salt, fat, they also sort of cause problems in terms of managing anxiety. So again, it's the avoidance part rather than the taking part which helps you to feel. Of course, if you take more fruits, more vegetables, those will help you to produce, because they are the basic ingredients to produce serotonin. So that will help you to produce that.
Is it right or is it possible कि अगर किसी का डाइट एकदम परफेक्ट है, एकदम फिट है, तो उनको एंजाइटी बहुत कम होता है?
Unfortunately, see, as I said, there are many factors which play here. So suppose someone is very genetically prone, then even if you are taking a good diet, आज बहुत सारे पेशेंट्स हैं मेरे जो बोलते हैं कि मैं तो रोज एक्सरसाइज करता था, बाहर का कुछ खाता नहीं था, फिर मेरे हार्ट अटैक हो गया. इट्स नेचर एंड नर्चर. सो इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट डाइट. मेनी फैक्टर्स कम इनटू प्ले. योर सोशल सिचुएशन, योर चाइल्डहुड, your genetics. So there is a huge amount of interplay of things, and obviously if you're following a good diet, your chances reduce. I won't say it becomes zero, but your chances reduce.
Okay. Stress converts into anxiety?
Yes, of course. Stress is something which we say can cause any and every illness under the sun.